How to create or sign in for AliExpress account. So the very first thing, you want to make sure that you have downloaded the application AliExpress on your device. If not, you can easily get it from the Play Store or an App Store. Well, you can also create your account through any of the web browser. So let me head over to Google Chrome. In the search bar, search for aliexpress.com. It will land you on the official page of AliExpress. Tap on this profile icon over here, and then click on sign in or register. Right here you can see different options. Well, you can create it through any of the account. Let me select Google account. Now choose the Google account in which you want to create your AliExpress account. Well, there you go, your account has been created successfully. So that's it, and this is simply how you can create your AliExpress account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.